Are you looking for your vacation home here in Las Vegas in a 55 plus community? Well, today's retreat model might be just for you. It's coming up after the intro. Hey residents, what's going on? Welcome back to Las Vegas Home Tours. My name is MJ. I'm a realtor out here in Las Vegas, Nevada with the Berkshire Hathaway brand. And here on this channel, we tour all around the Las Vegas Valley, looking at builder model homes as well as existing inventory to make your next shopping experience for your next home all the more easy. If this is the first time we've met on this channel, thank you so much for stopping by and checking it out. I appreciate it. Thank you. If you do enjoy this type of content, interested in becoming a resident of Las Vegas Home Tours, make sure you hit that subscribe button and smash that bell notification so you don't miss a single tour when I upload on Fridays. And on today's model tour, we are looking through the retreat built by Shea Homes up in Summerlin in the Trilogy community. This is a highly customizable floor plan meant for those that are looking for their perfect vacation home. This home does feature 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms on the base floor. You could add a second floor if you chose to that could have a loft and a 3rd bedroom if you like. It also has an office, so if you're still working from home but you still want that 55 plus community with a lot of amenities in the community, this will be the model for you. Without further ado, let's just get out there and get this tour started. Come on. Right, residents, welcome back out to Summerlin. Today we are back continuing the series up in Trilogy, built by Shea Homes with the retreat model. This home does have the optional 2nd story built onto it, and the features of this home are 1,827 square feet all the way up to 2,649 square feet, 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3.5 bathrooms with a 2-car garage starting at $570,990. As always, this home does feature the pavers on the driveway as well as the walkways. And the front landscaping will be completed for you as well with the drip irrigation system installed. The HOA for this community is $510 a month, which is $462 for the Trilogy community and $48 a month for the Summerlin. There's a nice little courtyard here that they have with that little fountain, really nice looking fountain there. And with the patio furniture on the other side. It is 30'0" by 5'5". That said, let's just go ahead and head straight on inside. As soon as you come in, you're greeted into this entryway. Just to the left here, they have the den and the great room on the right. We'll go over the den and that side of the house a little bit later on, but for now, let's go ahead and head over to the great room side. The dining room in here is 9'4" by 15'6". The living room area is 14'5" by 15'6", and the kitchen is 20'9" by 12'3". Real simple design in here. I really feel like that they decided to make this home more like a vacation style home, and that's what it's meant to be for. And the reason I say that is because of the location of the den as well as the master bedroom comparably to the other bedrooms. I don't know why I necessarily feel that way. I just do. I don't have any reason for it. Maybe it's just the name of the model. I don't know. There's the master bedroom. We'll check that out here in just a minute. But first, let's look over this kitchen. There's the granite countertop. It is included. You have an option of a couple different colors there, as well as the cabinetry, which they're featuring in this home in the white on the back side, and with the sink side, they have the black cabinetry. Here's your pantry. It is a modest size, as well as the nice backsplash there. That is an upgrade. Included in the home, you'll get a 6-inch backsplash that matches the granite countertop. There's the dark color cabinetry that you have an option of. You'll get a single basin undermount stainless sink. They upgraded to the porcelain sink there. Has a bit more of a country look to it. And if you notice throughout this entire home, they have the dark hardware, which is going to be an upgrade as well. The appliance package for the Shea Homes Trilogy community is going to be a GE stainless steel appliance package with a 30-inch gas range there, as well as the stainless steel oven, microwave, and dishwasher. The refrigerator is not included. You'll have to upgrade or add your own later on. There's some storage underneath the stairs here. If you did not have that second story, there would be a half bathroom here instead, and the entrance to that half bathroom would be near the entryway. Headed back here, this is going to be your master bedroom. The master bedroom is 14'0" by 17'0". The master bathroom is 13'0" by 10'6", and the walk-in closet is 9'4" by 10'11". Real simple design throughout this entire home. Very neutral colors. As far as the flooring throughout this home, you're going to get carpet throughout. You'll have options of that at the design studio. And you'll get 18 by 18 inch ceramic tiles in the kitchen, the entryway, the master bathroom, the guest bathroom, and the laundry room, which are all the wet areas. I really like that barn style door that they have there that I was just showing you just a moment ago. They're really easy to install. And here's the master bathroom. You do get the dual vanity in here with the quartz countertops with the rectangular undermount sinks. Really nice look with that undermount sink in there. They did upgrade the hardware as well as the faucet. The faucet will be a single lever faucet. They have the dual lever on this one. I like that extra cabinet that they have on the left there. Really nice touch, as well as really good for that extra storage as well. You'll get a walk-in shower with the seat as well, along with a cultured marble surround. The entrance to the garage was right off of the kitchen there. It is 20'1" by 20'0". And just to the right of the garage, there is a trash storage area. Super convenient. Here's the den slash office. This room is 10'5" by 9'7". Really super convenient. Here's the laundry room. There's a gas dryer hookup and the washer. There's your smart space. Speaking of the smart space, you do get the Shea Connect package with this home. As with all of their homes, you get the Wi-Fi router as well as the Amazon Echo Show, the Ring Video doorbell, the Wi-Fi garage door, all the bells and whistles. Here's the bathroom for the downstairs bedroom. It will be a fiberglass surround for the shower tub combo with a single vanity at standard height. Here's this bedroom here. It is 11'2" by 11'5", and it does have a standard closet. Throughout this home as well, you're going to get 3¼ inch baseboards. It's going to be more in a square style, super easy to maintain that square style rather than having the fancy grooves in your baseboards. Here's the stairs to go upstairs if you chose to have that second story installed. The second story would have a loft, a bedroom, and the bathroom. When you come up to the loft, you are immediately greeted into it. It is 16'2" by 19'8". It's a really good sized room here. Like how they have the TV mount on the wall there. I'm not real sure, but they didn't finish decorating out this home, and it's starting to reflect in this loft here as well as this bedroom and bathroom. I don't know if that was intentional or what they're trying to do. There's the bathroom here. It's 9'1" by 8'8". It has a single vanity in here. You probably could upgrade to a dual vanity if you chose to. Has the fiberglass surround with the dark hardware. The dark hardware is going to be an upgrade. There's some storage right above the stairs there. And that's where the blower is for your central air unit. And they did put that as a little bit of a storage unit. Coming into this bedroom here, it is 13'1" by 18'2". Really good size room. As far as the community goes, you do get a really beautiful clubhouse that features a pool, a pickleball court, a bocce ball court, a pool table. They have a common areas such as like a little dog park and sitting areas, as well as access to the Summerlin trails. They do have events that feature cooking classes, yoga classes, all kinds of stuff. You do get your money's worth. It is a guard-gated community too. It is meant to be a drop and go type community if you like to travel. But that said, that'll about wrap it up for today's tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Well, residents, what'd you think? Did you enjoy this model tour? What would you like for a vacation home here in Las Vegas? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much to Shea Homes, Darren, and Kelly specifically for having us out, getting us a little bit of lunch, touring through these models with us, and allowing us to film these video tours. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys. If there's something else around the Las Vegas Valley that you want to see me tour, just let me know in the comments below. I'd be happy to get out there and tour it for you. If you're interested in coming along, feel free to contact me directly. My information is in the description below. If you did enjoy this content and you're interested in becoming a resident of Las Vegas Home Tours, make sure you subscribe to the channel, smash that bell notification, and while you're at it, hit that like button too. That'll help out a lot more people to discover this video, and it'll help them out in their home search as well. But as always, I appreciate you guys touring with me and sticking around till the end of the video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Later.
Get me out of here.